Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the last part of our project. So right now we've written all our modules and they are now ready to work with. So now we're going to create our develop card game. In this we're going to import all our modules and we're going to use it on one file. So all we have to do is focus on this module. So now we may not know which or what to import. So in order for us to import or know what to import, we have to check these modules and know what we need to import. First of all, we need to import instructions, we need to import game level, we need to import create players, and then we need to import display, and then we need to import play. And then we need to import this. So we have to import level 1 to up to level 6. So let's just copy this and then we paste it inside our deval or copy and then we paste it. And also we are going to edit our modules because there are some print things that we don't want them to be displayed, especially our table as we play. We shouldn't, especially our deck. We shouldn't look into our deck as we work with it. So okay, let's see how to import. So we're going to comment deval all game play. So I'm going to say first, oh, this is supposed to be a comment. This is supposed to be a comment. First, we import all the modules and functions in them. So first module is round 1 game play. Then second module is round 2, round 1 module. And then what we need to do, we're going to say from round 1 module import. Yes. Then here we're going to say, and I'm going to type from round 2, because actually I saved it as round 2. From round 2 import. Yes, that is all here. This is how we're going to write it. So all I have to do is copy this, then Control C, and then paste it. Okay, now we have to do this. Send and save. And then now we're going to import instructions. Import game level, and then we'll also import create players Then we also import display, and then we also import play. I think that's it for now. I think that's all it for now. Okay, and then we are going to create a main function. Then we're going to call it define main. Then we're going to call it. Okay, then we need tables. Then we need tables. Yes, that's it. So all we have to do is call our main function. So just do it like this, and then we run our program. But before we do that, we need to put all these modules inside this develop card game folder so that they can all be imported properly. So before we can move our modules to the same folders, we have to edit our functions. So first of all, I'm going into round 2. I have to remove some prints and stuff inside my functions so that our game can now be played properly. So you can move to table. Yes, table card. Actually, we have to show tabletop card, which is table dot card. That is all the card that we need to see. The tabletop card. Yes, tabletop card is the only card that we want to see. Then player one dot name, player one. Print player one dot name. Please pick a card position that we need to see that table dot card. Yes, and we also have to tell the player how many cards the table has. So we are going to print table dot name as table dot size cards. Okay, and I'm going to copy that, Control C, and then I'm going to paste it right here, just right there, over here, just right there, table dot card, because that is the only card we have to look at. So let's see, player one name, player card is the same rank. Okay, we have to see that. Okay, we go down, level 1, computer turn. Computer turn, you only have to see player card. So we don't have to look at this. So we have to comment that. And then we have to player.card. Played. Then we have to print dot, and then we have to print like before he played. Then this is after the player played. So all we have to do is this one, we don't have to see it. This one we don't have to see it. Also, we don't have to see it. What else? So all we have to do is print which card the player played. So we only have to print which card the player played. So play dot card dot card. So we're going to say player dot name. I'm going to say played. Played player card. Player card. Okay. Now player played. Well, this input we also need it because when player plays we also have to pause. So all this just have to comment on that. As label computer 21. Then computer 22 we do the same. Do the same. Comment on that. First we just have to show Control V. Then we have to tell players which card played player card. Then we comment on that. Then we comment on that. Moving on to our next. Save. Moving on. In a print statement that we can see. Comment on that. Comment on that. Comment on that. Then we paste. And we have to say played player card. Save. Moving on, 24, we do the same. Comment on that. Comment on that. Paste. And we edit that part. Played player card. Then move on to 5. Comment on that, comment on that, and then paste. Let me edit this part. Complete, clear, card. And let's continue. Then this rank, we also have to comment on that because we no longer need that. Okay, does work perfect. So we don't have to see all that. Any print statements? Nope. Level 6. Level 6. Okay. I don't see any print statements here because it calls 25. Okay. Cut pause 2. No prints, so we're going to save that. So then we go to round 1. Then we go on top because we don't want to see the deck. So create players, create players, and then display it so that if anyone, please pick some. Okay, level works well, works well. And all this player one print, player one name, player one name, take one, deck. Now we don't have to see the deck. Okay, all this stuff. Oh, actually, we don't have to see this before shuffling. Print deck after shuffling. We don't have to see the deck. Okay. Cards will be picked from the deck and thrown on the table. And we don't have to see the deck. All we have to see players. Yes. Move on. So S. Now we remove this. But first we have to do some tests, Before that, I will fix it. We'll fix that. We'll fix that. Okay, we're going to fix that. So now we need to display tabletop card. Card on the table. So these are my cards. I can look at them and cards after being thrown on the table. Table dot card. Table dot card. Actually, there's no problem. And then continue. Here one doesn't matter. I can look at my own cards. But table. Return print position deck one dot size computer table. And to move computer move. Cards left. Computer move table dot cards. Print after throwing down card. Print table dot name. Player dot. So here I want to print player the cards that are left with player. So now there's no need for me to play that. And played. Just say played. 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 Print. Okay. Table dot card. Okay. Here, played. Played table dot card. Okay. Here there's a comma. And computer move at the end prints. Yes. Player name picked player card. Though we don't have to print that. Comment. Before throwing down card, print. Comment, print. Computer move. Print. Comment all that. Print statements. Okay. Save. Now let's try to run it because this one is still on test, so I want to see and see how it displays. Oh, something's wrong. No, I want to play this one. Okay. What's wrong? Okay, seems my default, so I have to copy all those stuff and paste it inside. Okay, let's do this. New folder, this way I keep all my stuff. Round one, I go in, then I copy all these, Control C, and I paste it inside my default all directory that I'm working on. Paste. Okay, so go back to our game, and then so now I'm going to run it again. Okay, level 1. Create players, Edward. So here, cards are being displayed. I can see my cards after thrown on table. Okay. Table top card. So now we can only look at the card. table, no card, 7 cards left on deck. So I want to print 7 cards left in deck, on deck. So, and also if table is empty, I want it to display empty here. So where do you pick to copy table card before thrown on table and card after thrown on table? Top card. Okay, that's what we need. Okay. Okay, you may move before throwing on table. Table card. Same rank. Thrown on table. Then it displays how many cards are left here. Deck. Cards left in deck. Inside deck. Cards left inside deck. Okay, save that. And then we're going to copy it again and then paste it inside. But before we do that, we need to run it. See some changes. Level 1. Pause it. 41 cards left. Wow. It's not saying anything. Why not? Oh, this one is human move. So I said computer move, cards left inside deck. Okay. Print. And print. Okay, let me copy it and paste inside folder round 2. Oh, so it's going inside round 1. Here, copy, then paste it inside here. Control V. Then we replace override. Let's run it again. With 1. Cards left inside the case. Now it's displaying well. Okay. It says Edward has 9 cards, Nelson has 17, David has 9, Sam is 13, Table has 4 cards. Yes. Table has 4 cards. Table. Then I play 0. Okay. Table has 4 cards. Table has 5 cards. Yes. Table. Top card. Yes. Displays. Table. 6 cards. Table top card. David play 3D. Sam play 4D into Sam rank 3D and do all. And here table is 0 cards. I like that. 0 cards empty. Nothing on top. Play 0. So now it's displaying quite well enough. So any changes that we need to change this part right here. There has to be a space button because there has to be a new table. So we're going to do that right here. Okay. As print, then do that. Okay, now we run it. Um, well done. You will play Devour level 1. Prepare yourself, human. It worked. Okay, why is it not this? It's not right here. Oh, let me fix here. Let's see what happens. Okay. The one. Okay, now I'm being offended. What's going on? Let me just do this. Print and save. And here say print. Okay. Before we do that, it seems I couldn't play. Okay. Seems something definitely wrong. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to do this. Okay. I'm going to remove always. Yes. Then I'm going to save that. And then we're going to run this one. And that's why it's confused. Carry standard size cards. What is going on here? What is going on? So we've imported everything. Now let's play, guys. Let me just say recent files round 2, because I have to change something from round 2 here. No, round 1. Let's change something from round 1 here. So because now we want to play our game. Play human move. Computer move, human move. There it is. Remove one. Now where is our input? Yeah, there it is. Yes. Save. And round 1, we're going to copy that and paste it inside. Round 1, copy. Then we're going to paste it inside. inside. And let's remove all that. And let's run our program. Okay, that's one. Okay, cards will be picked from the deck and thrown on the table. Error, please pick a card between 0 and 51. Then I just say 0. 50 cards left inside deck table. This one played QC. Error card after throwing the table. Yeah, before and then after. As one played, David pick JC entity someone gets Q and will be all. Okay, we don't want to see that. We don't want to see that. So okay, say open. You are all. You can say hyper. Who's admin folder? You are all. And round one first. Open that. We're going to edit this file because computer move. We don't want to see which card it played after the. We're just going to say computer move just default all like here. So just default all. Here we're going to print picked same rank as table card and will default all. So save. Then we also have to open that other one because we don't want to see all that stuff. Okay, human, you can see that. This one. So let me just copy this. Control C. Then we're going to paste it here. Paste it here and then computer turn 2. Here, then paste the new line. So I'm going to copy that. That one, the new line. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Okay, computer turn 3. Okay, this one, go to the name, pick the player card. You don't want to see that either. And Okay, it's always either all that stuff. Okay, proceed here. I'll see that here. I see that here. You don't want to see that. We're going to paste that. Cards is here. You don't want to see that. You want to see that. We don't want to peek into our player's card. Okay. The end changes needed. Keep on making them. Level 6. Print statements. Then now let's run our game. Level 1. Okay. Between 0, I'll pick 0. Okay, let's see. Pick 0. I got you pick the card, position 0 card, bottom down, then I throw it down. Side deck. One card left inside deck. Put the down card. Pick the cards left after throwing down card. Put the cards left inside deck. After throwing down cards, same played. Okay, something wrong here. Same pick, same rank as table 2, table top card. Should say table top card. Table top card. I have to fix each and every one of them. Oh, come on. Save. I have to go to round 2 and fix that too. So guys, you can just fix that all at your own time. So let's just proceed with the game. Pick a number please, 0. So as you can see, it's working quite well. I keep on picking 0, 0, 0, 0. Zero. I don't even know how many cards I have. I haven't devoured anything actually because my cards are empty. My deck is empty. 0. Oh, I just devoured all the cards. As you can see, I picked Q into some rankings and you devour the cards. Okay. 0, 0, 0. Now my game is now displaying quite well. Now let's play. Throw down D. Now at round 2. Let's see, table is 0 cards table. Played Q. Table is 2 cards. Table to edge. Top card. Next one played to edge. Table is 3 cards now after saying played Queen of 10 of clubs. Table is 3 cards after playing. So I plays 0. So as you can see, it's now displaying quite well because I cannot see the hand inside now. all I have to make sure that I have to see how many cards are left. So you have to say same played 12 clubs and he has how many cards left. So we have to make sure that we know how many cards are left. So thank you guys for watching. So I hope you enjoyed this game. You can play it, you can share it to your friends, you can anything, you can even make some changes to this game because this is how I just like working on this game. This is how I worked on this game. So you can do your own adjustments or changes to this game. It's all up to you. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and like and also comment.